Ever wondered why your favorite neon sign looks so cool and vibrant? It's not just the neon gas, there's a cost to that glow. And when it comes to your finances, there's a similar cost to that neon glow on your credit card. So, let's dive into the heart of the matter. What exactly is the neon credit card fee? Well, it's a fee that you might encounter when using your credit card for certain transactions, particularly international ones. It's a charge imposed by the credit card issuer to cover the additional costs associated with processing foreign transactions. Why the neon credit card fee exists? Now, you might be wondering, why does this fee exist? It's a complex issue, but here's a simplified breakdown. Currency conversion. When you make a purchase in a foreign currency, your credit card issuer needs to convert that currency into your local currency. This process involves exchange rate fees. International transaction fees. Credit card companies often charge a percentage fee for international transactions to cover the costs of processing these transactions. Foreign transaction fees. Some merchants might also impose their own foreign transaction fees. How to minimize neon credit card fees. While you can't completely eliminate these fees, there are a few strategies to minimize them. Use a credit card with no foreign transaction fees. Many credit cards waive foreign transaction fees. Research and choose a card that suits your travel needs. Inform your bank about your travel plans. Let your bank know about your upcoming trips to avoid any flags on your account. Use ATMs wisely. While it's convenient, using ATMs abroad can incur fees. Be mindful of the fees charged by both your bank and the ATM operator. Consider a travel rewards credit card. Some travel rewards cards offer perks like travel insurance and lounge access. While they might have annual fees, the benefits can outweigh the costs. The bottom line. While the neon credit card fee might seem like a small charge, it can add up, especially for frequent travelers. By understanding the factors that contribute to this fee and implementing the strategies we've discussed, you can significantly reduce its impact on your travel budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.